Imagine this for a moment. You're cruising along a quiet European countryside road. The sun is settling behind the hills, the cool evening breeze is coming through the windows, and the entire world feels calm. And the motorhome carrying you through this moment? It's not a big Mercedes. It's not a luxury Fiat Ducato. It's actually a 2000 Dacia Motorhome Camper, a tiny, budget-friendly van that somehow gives you the same freedom at a fraction of the price. Today, we're diving into the camper that's surprising travelers all across Europe. A van that was never meant to compete with the giants, yet here it is, turning heads, winning hearts, and proving that adventure doesn't need to be expensive. So sit back, relax, and picture yourself inside this humble little home on wheels, because once you see what this Dacia can do, you'll understand exactly why it's making such a comeback. Welcome back to the channel. If you love budget campers, unique conversions, and real-world travel machines, then you're going to enjoy this one. Because today's motorhome isn't just affordable, it's charming, simple, and surprisingly capable. So let's step inside the 2000 Dacia Motorhome Camper and take a closer look at what makes it such a standout in today's budget van life world. From the outside, the 2000 Dacia Motorhome looks exactly like what it is, a compact, practical Romanian workhorse turned into a traveler's dream. It's small, it's boxy, and it's honest. You won't see flashy chrome, sharp LED strips, or massive overhangs. Instead, you get a clean, square design that's surprisingly functional. Its narrow body makes it perfect for city streets, small villages, tight parking spaces, and the kind of remote roads where bigger RVs struggle. The elevated roof gives it a compact motorhome silhouette while keeping the entire van lightweight. Because of that, the fuel consumption stays refreshingly low, one of the biggest reasons why European travelers love older Dacia campers. Around the back, the swing-open doors give you quick access to storage and utilities. Everything on this van was built with one idea in mind: keep it simple, keep it reliable, and keep it affordable. Now step inside, and this is where the little Dacia really surprises people. Despite its small footprint, the interior feels cozy and thoughtfully arranged. You're greeted by a warm, wood-paneled cabin, not luxurious, but nostalgic. The layout gives you everything you need for slow, comfortable travel. At the front, a pair of facing benches create a compact dinette space. This is where you eat, work, relax, or simply enjoy a morning coffee while looking out the window. It's simple but charming, and with the large side windows, it feels brighter than you might expect. And when it's time to sleep, those benches quickly fold into a full bed. And here's the surprising part: it's actually spacious enough for 2 adults. The foam cushions are soft, the layout is practical, and with curtains all around, you get a warm, private sleeping area. Storage is everywhere. Overhead cabinets line the walls, giving you plenty of room for clothes, food, and travel equipment. Dacia's designers made sure there's no wasted space. Every corner is used efficiently. Turn toward the middle of the cabin, and you'll find a fully functional mini kitchen. It's not luxurious, but it's absolutely everything you need: a 2-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink, a small countertop for meal prep, lower cabinets for utensils and supplies, and space for a compact travel fridge. This kitchen is the perfect example of the Dacia philosophy: keep it simple, keep it useful. You can cook breakfast, prepare a quick lunch, or even enjoy a late-night meal without stepping outside. For a motorhome that's nearly 25 years old, the comfort level is surprisingly good. You get soft lighting for a warm nighttime atmosphere, curtains for privacy, simple climate control vents, good insulation for cooler evenings, and a quiet, peaceful interior that feels like a cabin in the woods. There's no giant TV, no electric slide-outs, and no complicated tech. And honestly, that's a big part of its charm. This is the kind of camper that lets you escape the chaos and live slow, really slow. Now the moment everyone wonders about: how does a 2000 Dacia Motorhome actually drive? Surprisingly well. The lightweight build means it doesn't struggle the way heavier motorhomes do. The steering is direct, the visibility is excellent, and the simple engine offers reliable performance for relaxed travel. You won't be winning races, but you'll absolutely enjoy the journey. Fuel economy is also a major advantage. While modern campers sip fuel politely, this older Dacia barely drinks at all. For budget travelers, that's a massive win. And here's where the Dacia really shocks Europe. First, the price. You can find these older Dacia motorhome conversions for a fraction of what modern RVs cost, sometimes even cheaper than a new smartphone. This is freedom that almost anyone can afford. Second, the size advantage. Bigger RVs are amazing, until you try driving them through historic European towns. This Dacia slips through spaces others can't, making exploration much easier. Third, simplicity. There are no complicated electronics, no expensive repairs, and no high-tech systems that fail at the worst time. Sometimes simple really is better. And finally, the nostalgic vibe. This camper has character, something modern motorhomes often lack. It feels personal, warm, and inviting. And that's why so many travelers are rediscovering it today. Before we wrap up, I'd love to know something. Would you travel across Europe in this compact Dacia motorhome? Tell me in the comments yes or no, and why. Your answers help shape future videos. At the end of the day, the 2000 Dacia Motorhome Camper is more than an old budget van. It's a reminder that you don't need luxury or thousands of dollars to experience freedom. All you need is a small, reliable home on wheels, a good road ahead, and the desire to explore. This camper gives you that feeling, the feeling of waking up in a quiet forest, breathing in the morning air, and knowing that your only plan for the day is to enjoy being alive. And sometimes, that's worth more than any luxury RV. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more motorhome and camper reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.